What is going on, you guys? It's your Aviation 484 here, and I'm back with another awesome... I almost butchered my intro. I'm back with another awesome model review. This is the Phoenix Models Airbus A380 Phoenix Models Thai Airways A380. I got this model off of a really good deal on DG Pilot. So shout out to them. This will probably be my last Thai model, and I'm serious. I'm dead serious about that. This is probably gonna be my last Thai model. I really don't need that many, so I don't know. But it's just awesome. The way the model looks in the box and stuff, it's just the livery on the A380. It's amazing. So I decided to get it. So let's get started. So here we have the box. Of course, Phoenix Models does this nice thing now. They just put like a kind of a boring front picture, like with some probably part of the sky or landmark or whatever. Not landmark, but probably the land of the country or whatever. But in the back, though, they always put like some sort of landmark. I don't know if this is... I don't know exactly what building this is. This might be some kind of another temple in Thailand. So I'm not exactly sure. If you guys, anybody knows, I would love to know. I'll do my research. If I find out, I'll put it in the top, of course, or the screen. I should not say top because, you know, I sometimes put it on the bottom. But anyways, let's just go over the warnings and all that stuff. So, so let's get started with the sides. Here at the top, it's damaged here a little bit. But not a big deal. DG Pilot is just an amazing company, star. So let's get started. I'll do as best as possible to make this video short and sweet. Don't want to take up too much time from anybody. So I know I always do that and I continue to blabber on, but I'll try to do my best to not do that. So, let's get started. And this thing looks amazing. One error with this model, at least I think, again, don't quote me on this. I'm not trying to bash anybody yet because I'm not that positive with colors or liveries or anything. But I think the tail colors are a bit too off. I don't know exactly if the Thai livery, the colors are like that. I thought it's supposed to be more yellowish and bright color. I don't know if that's because that's on the Gemini Jets version, but I don't know if that's incorrect or if this is incorrect, or I don't know what the problem is. But the Gemini Jets coloring on this is a I forgot what flower this is. I think some sort of I think it was a blossom, if I could remember. No, it's an orchid. It's an orchid. Sorry, I remember now. It's an orchid. That's the Thai logo. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure if that's an error, but yeah, it's a little bit. Looks kind of weird, a little bit, but that's not that big of a deal. I mean, the model itself, the colors, the purple and everything, is amazing. So we have the Thai logo right here, the Star Alliance logo. Here is. It says, I think Chaya, Chaiya. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I tried looking it up and a bunch of stuff came up. So, first came up sorry, I don't know what's going on right now with what I'm saying. But, a lot of restaurants came up and also a lot of movies and stuff popped up in search, so I don't know exactly what that is. If anybody knows, I would like to know. But here it's English, and on this side it's in Thai, which is really awesome. I love when airlines do that. Then we have surprisingly enough, no, those are not lights. I don't believe so. There's no light. Runway lights. I don't think these are lights. They could be. I don't know. I highly doubt it. But yeah. Then we have the amazing, gigantic Rolls-Royce engines. These are huge engines. The A380, of course, is the largest passenger airliner. So then we have the winglet, A380 winglet, red navigation light, registration Hotel Sierra Dash Tango Uniform Charlie. Very nice APU. Thai Airways is based out of Bangkok. I believe they used to fly the A380s in a while back, in I think to LA, but I could be wrong. I thought I saw a video about it. But this is like a long time ago. Unfortunately, Thai Airways does not fly to any city in the US anymore to the US. So hopefully they start up again in the future, but they don't, unfortunately. Here with the green navigation light, and then we have cargo doors here and here. So I'll just show you the top and bottom. I'm not gonna get into too much detail exactly, but there's a bunch of antennas here, a SATCOM antenna, some red anti-collision lights antenna, the stabilizers with the no step markings also there. Then we have tail illumination lights. I don't think you can see it properly, but there's one there and there's one there. And then we have the registration on the top here, and then flap slats, ailerons, spoilers, and then there's no step markings all the way like that. And then here's the bottom. You've got the nose gear, and the door, yes, indented, which is nice. And the main gear and the main gear doors. Registration again, underneath the wings, very nice detail. And then we have the very nice Thai colors here, and then the APU housing doors. So that should be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you're new. Put in the comments below what you think of this model. Put in the comments below if you if you want this model. I'm not exactly sure of the status. I think it's sold out now. I did get this model actually a long time ago. I think a few weeks ago, actually almost a month ago. Actually, I've had this model. I just never got around to reviewing it. But yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, that should be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.